Hello everybody, welcome to my first ever travel vlog.
Hello.
Got Lewis with me because we are going to London for a couple of days this weekend because we're going to MCM Comic Con tomorrow and we thought we'll make a weekend of it. We're currently at Leicester train station waiting for the 12:04 train to London at St Pancras.
Can't wait to get going.
And I've got my pain au chocolat. Waiting for the train. It's delayed for 4 minutes. So yeah, I thought I'd bring you all on the journey with us this weekend and hope you like it.
It'll be exciting.
Sure is. Finally, after a 15-minute delay on the train. How you feeling?
I'm good, yeah.
You sweating? I'm sweating. I'm bloody sweating. We've got out of St Pancras station. Now we've got to find our way to the hotel, which means using the underground. We've got to figure out what lines to take because we don't really know. Oh, that's a nice car. Oh my god! Look at that! Is my ideal car. So yeah, we've got to find the hotel and be proper tourists and use the underground. So this is our hotel we're staying at. It's called the Westbridge Hotel and Restaurant. And yes, it's quite a fancy establishment. That's what it looks like. So after 4 hours of just straight travelling, I finally made it to the hotel room. I'm sweaty, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty. I'm going to do myself a cup of tea because that's what all good British people do. So we're currently staying at the Westbridge Hotel in Stratford. So we're going to focus on going around Stratford a little bit or just like not going too far tonight. Yeah, we're going to have a look at restaurants and stuff. But before I do that, I've really got to freshen up. So yeah, overall, not a bad journey at all. So now I've freshened up. It took 3 hours nearly, but we've made it. Just going into the centre of Stratford, getting food. We don't quite know exactly where we're going, but we've got an idea. I've had 2 alcoholic drinks, and I'm feeling it's gone to my head a little bit. So yeah.
You'll find some posts there, by the way. Don't whack into them.
I'm not going to whack into the posts, but yeah. found a restaurant It's called Zuzu's, and it's really nice. It's brand new, and we've got our starters, which is olive. You've had a smoked salmon, haven't you? So really nice. Got my pina colada. Now I've got pineapple juice all over my jeans, but it's fine. Yeah, it's really nice in here. And if you are in Stratford, you should check it out. Restaurant about 2 hours ago nearly, didn't we? And now we found a nice little pub, which I think is local. I feel like there's a lot of locals in here, and it's called Your Old Black Pub in Stratford. It's literally down the road to where we've just been, and yeah, we're going on a bit of a night out on our house right now. It's good vibes in here, it's nice and chill, there's a jukebox over there, and whatever you want on there. I might go over there in a minute and put a bit of dosh in there. We are having drinky poos. Cheers. Good morning. It is, what time is it?
10 to 10.
10 to 10 in the morning. Feeling slightly delicate this morning after last night's antics. I feel like I've had about 2 hours sleep, which I have, basically. But that's why I didn't vlog anything else, because the night was one of those nights. We are having breakfast at the hotel. I've just had a cheeky fry up, as you can see.
It was very nice.
I've already done my hair and my makeup for Comic-Con, but I haven't got the outfit on because I didn't think that the hotel restaurant would appreciate us both coming down dressed as a superhero, or is he a supervillain? Superhero and an action figure. So we're dressed as normal citizens, but after this we're going to go back up to the room, put our costumes on, and then go to Comic-Con. Okay, so we're on our way to Comic-Con. My outfit.
Yeah.
So I've got some fake guns, but I'm not putting them on yet.
Not yet.
I already look an idiot as it is. Nice. Lewis is the arrow. Look at those boots. What are those? It's 4 minutes away. Oh god. So yeah, we're just waiting for the Uber to get to the Excel place. The Uber's taking 4 minutes. I've got all these cars driving past, looking at us like, what's going on? But you know what? I ain't bothered. So we've made it to Comic Con, haven't we?
Yeah.
Look at everyone behind us, look.
Yeah.
Don't feel an idiot now. Felt like we stuck out like a sore thumb walking around London like that. But yeah, we've made it. So now we've got to work our way in. Yeah, Peter Parker's over there.
Lanyard ready.
Got the lanyards. I've not lost any grenades yet.
Well, you dropped a few on the floor.
I didn't. It was my gun going off.
Oh.
Okay, look. knobbly bit off. Ain't too bad.
No.
It's a bit sour, but I thought it was going to be a sweet sour, not a. I don't know why. On the way back from COMICON now, we was there for about 5 hours. Look how sweaty I am. It's so hot today. I feel so tired, like I feel physically exhausted. Decided to come back and we're going to get changed as well because look at me. Oh, we've got to walk in now looking like this.
Walking looking amazing.
I've still got my guns and grenades on me right now. It's literally half past 10 at night. I've literally just done nothing since I got back from Comic-Con because I felt so exhausted. And I think the late night the day before, last night, that didn't help. However, I have got some food here. I'm not quite sure what that is. Looks like breadcrumbs, but yeah, I got some calamari, some prawn toast, and some stir fry stuff. So I'm going to feast on that and go to bed. So see you in the morning.
TV recording is in operation at this station for the purpose of security and safety management.
Good morning, guys. It is Sunday the 28th of May and it is home time.
Is this? Well, breakfast.
Didn't do anything last night. Went to sleep early, had my takeaway. That was it. I just could put. Busy day yesterday, wasn't it? So, yeah, I woke up pretty late as well, so we've not even had breakfast yet. But we've got to get our train at 4 minutes past 12 from London to St Pancras. So we are currently at Stratford. We're in Stratford, waiting for our underground train. And it's here. So we've got to get on it quick. Sorry about that, we had to get onto the underground train and couldn't record any of the journey there because we was rushing around and it was just mayhem on a Sunday morning. But we are now in Benugos. So she's got a little baguette thing because we've literally had no breakfast this morning. I've got myself a hot chocolate. And I'm half eaten raspberry and white chocolate muffin, which is all over my lips. So yeah, I've also got this. I bought this pasta thing, veggie pasta, which I can't even eat because I ain't got a fork. So I don't know how I'm going to do that. But yeah, so we're just waiting for our train now back to Leicester at London St Pancras again. There's nothing worse than lugging all your luggage when there's loads of people around. I've literally got no patience. Lewis just walked off about 10,000 miles in front.
I thought you were behind me.
Caught up now. Okay, so we've finally made it to the platform that we need to go on, but there's that many people here that we can't actually get in yet. So, sorry, is the frame too small?
Yeah, sorry.
So I thought this would be a good time to conclude the video, soon as, well, the journey home's not going to be very interesting. We're going to be... No, we're just going to be monging out on the train, to be honest. We'll be like, However, right, thought we'd do a little recap. Trips to London, tips I can give anyone who's coming to London for the first time is research the underground if you're going to use it, because it can get a little bit complicated. Tips to go in London: save some money because everything is expensive. We didn't go on any excursions, we didn't go on the London Eye, we didn't go to London Bridge because our weekend was primarily for COMICON. Great place to be though. Also about the underground, make sure you stay on the right hand side on the escalators because people are just dashing about everywhere, and I always make the same mistake of going on the left. It's like, put in, not sort in.
And there you go.
And another thing about London, there's a mixture of people here, and you don't know what you're going to come across next. If you're planning to go to Comic Con as well, I would book a couple of days at least. I wouldn't go for just one day like we did. There's not enough time to see everything that you want to see or do everything you want to do. And if you want to look around London as well as go to Comic Con, it's a great opportunity because then you haven't got to spend as long like we did in one day at Comic Con. If you want to dress up to Comic Con, then you don't have to. I'd say there was like 75% of people weren't dressed up, and I feel like people feel obliged to dress up. We did because we wanted to get in the spirit of things, but yeah, there are some fantastic costumes being worn by people, weren't there? So yeah, don't worry about dressing up too much. It's not that deep. Anyway, if you made it this far to the video, thank you very much for watching. It's been a class weekend, and it's bank holiday tomorrow, so I get the day off work. So yes, like I say, thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for some more travel vlogs from me, and most of the time Lewis, because Lewis comes everywhere with me. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Goodbye from London. Bye.